Here is a myth I want to put to rest today. All auto body shops basically do the same work. They do not. Hi, I'm Tom from Arts Autobody and Paint in Pomona, and today I want to explain why this assumption can lead drivers to make repair decisions that do not serve them well. On the surface, it might seem like auto body repair is a commodity. Every shop has spray guns. Every shop replaces panels and bumpers. Every shop applies paint. So what is really different from one place to the next? Quite a bit, actually. The first difference is process depth. A shop that takes the time to fully disassemble the damaged area, inspect everything underneath, document additional findings, and repair to the structural standard the manufacturer intended, that shop is doing something meaningfully different from a shop that works quickly to get the car back on the road with minimal disruption. Both shops repaired the car, but they did not do the same work. The second difference is parts quality. Not every shop uses the same parts. Some use OEM, original equipment from the manufacturer. Some use aftermarket alternatives, which vary widely in fit and quality. And some use reconditioned or salvaged parts, which can be appropriate in some cases and not in others. These choices affect how the repair looks, fits, and holds up over time. The third difference is paint quality and process. Prep work, primer quality, color formula adjustment, blend technique, clear coat. All of these vary by shop, by painter, and by how much time the shop is willing to invest in getting it right. The fourth difference is accountability. What happens if something is not right after the car leaves? Does the shop stand behind the work? Is there a clear, honored warranty? Will they take the call and address the concern? Or will the customer be left managing a dispute? These differences matter enormously to the final outcome. And they are exactly why all shops do the same work is simply not true. At Arts Autobody and Paint, we hold ourselves to a standard that reflects what we believe good repair work actually looks like. That means the right process, the right parts, the right paint approach, and the accountability to stand behind the result. Not every shop makes that commitment. We do. If you want a shop that is genuinely different in process, in standards, and in how they treat customers, come see us at Arts Autobody and Paint in Pomona. Call 909-620-5464 or visit artsautobodyandpaint.com for a free estimate. The difference is real, and you will feel it.